And the markets go bearish today, but coming off of daily lows. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade, and it's Thursday, August 28th, 2014. Taking a look here, you'll see that everybody was in bearish territory, but small caps got hit the worst. You'll see that they were down over 0.6%. Banks also confirmed that drop in small caps. Everybody else, for the most part, did fairly well, especially the S&P 500. It held its own. And if you look here at the VIX, that's a fear indicator. The fear indicator was up 1.6%. Now we're over 12. If you look here at gold, you'll see that gold was up 0.55%. Silver up under 0.5%. Crude oil up 0.8%. Utilities, defensive sector, is up more than 0.5%. Here we are looking at the S&P 500. Big, extraordinary run. Yesterday we had a pivot candle. We talked about that pivot candle at the 2,000 mark. Today we had more droppage. We have a confirmed down leg now, a lower swing high, a lower swing low. But what's interesting here, and again, down here in the corner, down here you can do full screen, and over here to the left a little bit there's a gear right below this, and you can click on the gear to bring it to high definition. But look at this. We go lower, lower, lower right here. Today we went down, 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 busted to an area of resistance or support, went down to the rising 8 EMA. We come back up, back up, back up, breaking through that area of resistance and closing, giving us a hammer. Really interesting. Two lower shadows, very long, especially today. That ends the day on a bullish note. Bullish note. Now, I'm going to share something with you here. I've been trading 16 years. Now, full disclosure, I'm holding probably 15 longs right now, a lot of tech stocks. I'm hoping the markets will pop, break the 2,000 mark, and head higher. However, I hedged myself right at the end of the day. Today we were hedged. As we started to bounce, unloaded. How much of my hedge did I unload? Unloaded some of it. Can't remember how much of it I unloaded, but then right at the end of the day I reloaded my full hedge, because in my 16 years of trading, 16 and a half now, this formation, there's no word for it other than you're gonna fall out of bed. Now you could get a sizable red candlestick closing out the week. When I say sizable, larger than this candlestick, and finding maybe a support level right here at this Fibonacci retracement, which would put us in 1980 area if that were to happen. Gap down to this level and then a drop. I could very, very easily see a red candlestick here. However, if we make a new high tomorrow, and this is huge to end out the week, we need to make a new high. I don't care if we make a new high and then stall at the 2,000 mark, but man, if we could make a new high and even break through there, that's big time bullish. I will not want to be hedged at that moment. So very, very slippery ground that we're on here. We're kind of like on a side of a mud hill, and it could get very slippery. We're trying to go higher, but man, if we fall off the cliff here, it could be a nasty little dive going into next week. Now, stocks of interest. Big moves. Facebook today dropped more than 1%. I unloaded that. I unloaded Facebook today, and I didn't like the volume, the sell side volume. So got rid of Facebook, not holding that anymore. GoPro had a sizable pop today. Because of this huge pop on massive volume, I bought some GoPro today. So I'm holding that. And what else? Taser I'm holding dropped 1.8%, staying above the 200-day moving average. I'm still building a high base, so I'm committed to this one. I'm liking what I'm seeing. As long as we can stay here, I'm okay with it. Twitter I'm holding. It was up. Wow, it was up 3% today. 2.85%. Big pop. I want that to stay above these moving averages. So that is fantastic also. And we're doing a class tonight. Hopefully you watch this video in time to join us. Tonight's especially cool. It's about trading infrastructure. Not so much about how to trade. This one is more about, do you have the right equipment? What's your trading computer like? And some things to maybe add to your computer, such as a UPS, not the shipping company. And we'll talk about ways to set that up. Really handy. Talking about trading platforms, ones that we like, and also brokerage accounts, ones that we like. So very much appreciate the thumbs up, likes on the video. And for you guys who are watching it from our web page, you can click on YouTube down here and then like the video. Leave your comments. We read every one of them. Love you guys. Take care.